Hello lovely people, welcome to the Z world. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to do Turkish delight makeup. This is my friend Subala saying hi to you all, and this is the inspo, and we are starting with cleansing the skin. First, I am applying this cleansing mist on all over her face, and then we will wipe it off with a clean tissue. The second step is toning, and here we are prepping the skin for the makeup, and the third step is moisturizing the skin. This is a very nice moisturizer, and if you are wondering what moisturizer I am using for her, it is, drum roll please, this one. And now we are concealing the eyelids. Fast forward please. I like to do the eyes first, because if there is any fall out, I'll clean it afterwards and then move on to the base, right? I'll show you the one eye only, and the other eye I will be doing off camera, okay? Okay, so I have this small blending brush. I'm using that, and now we are setting our eyelids with the powder. Here I have taken a reddish brown shade to create the illusion of crease, but a little bit higher than her actual natural crease, so that her eyes will look a little bit bigger and beautiful, And now I am blending this harsh line with a fluffy brush. Let's apply some white eyeliner onto her borderline, lower borderline. I've taken the same reddish brown shade and applying it onto the outer corner of the eyes to give her eyes some depth. And now I am applying a little bit shimmery whitish shade onto the inner corner to give her eyes a little bit of pop. Here I am applying white liquid glitter onto the very inner corner of her eyes. Let's blend it with a small brush. Let's give her the wing eyeliner. I am using angular brush and a liquid liner for this, following her natural lash line to give her a really good looking eyeliner. Some onto the inner corner as well. Now let's apply some white eyeliner just below the wing that we have created for that illusion of bigger eyes. Let's apply some mascara to give her eyelashes a little bit of volume. Now she has taken this wig and she's asking me if I've seen the Chinese girl that has the same hair and she eats the food like this and says too good, too good. I don't know. Have you seen her? Okay, on to the base. Let's apply some primer. After the primer, we will neutralize her whole face because she has tan and pigmentation on all over her face, onto her forehead, her nose area, her cheeks and jawline. And if you are wondering what base palette I'm using Krayon's Derma Color Camouflage Cream palette. To apply the base, I am using this flat brush. Make sure not to leave any space while applying the foundation, and then we will move on to blending it with a kabuki brush, or here I am using a duo fiber brush. We will stipple it, not drag it. Do not drag it ever. If you want your base to look smooth and flawless, then do not drag it. Okay, we are done with neutralizing her whole face. Now I want to highlight the center part of the face, like under the eyes, onto the bridge of the nose, onto the tip of the nose, upper lips, onto her chin, center of the chin and onto the center of her forehead. Then we will blend it with a small beauty blender. From now on, I will be uploading once a week, hopefully, inshallah. And I will give you tutorials of the makeup looks. Let me know what makeup look you want me to do next. Okay, so I have applied a bubblegum pink cream blush onto the cheekbones. Let's blend it quickly. And then we will move on to her lower lash line. I'm sorry for not uploading any videos. I was really busy with building up my academy. Yes, I have an academy and it is named Baji Beauty Academy and Salon. And if you are interested in learning Indian makeup or different type of makeup looks, then this place is really good for you. Yeah, because this is my academy and you know me. We offer basic to advanced makeup, hair, skin and cosmo courses. We have online classes also. And if you are from Kanpur, then you can come and join us. So Kanpur people, join us now. The Turkish Delight makeup has that lower lash line. Apply some mascara onto the lower lash line. That is the important key, I think, for the Turkish Delight makeup. Now I will set her whole face base with this compact powder. We will apply this compact powder onto the center part of her face, but not onto the blush. We will set the blush with the powdered blush, not with the compact powder. You may ask why? Because that will give her blush a really good looking. See, her cheekbones are glowing, right? This is what we want. And now we will do her eyebrows. We will draw a straight line, draw the arc and fill it in like this. See? Now moving on to her lips. I'm applying this brown crayon as the lip liner and then we will blend it in. After that, we'll fill in the lips with the lipstick. But the color that I'm using is going to be the exact match as the blush, bubblegum pink. And on top of that, we'll apply a gloss. Here I have this shiny gloss. I will apply this only onto the center part of the lips. And we are done. Let me know if you like this Turkish Delight makeup look and what you want me to do in my next video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.